Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Jason's Section 8 property. Guys, this is Jason's third property with me inside the last 12 months. He is killing it. He bought this house for $55,000 and put $27,000 into it. It's got a brand new roof. It's got a lot of good stuff, brand new on the exterior. It's got all new paint on the interior. It has all new flooring throughout the entire thing. It's got new countertops. It's got a bunch of really good stuff. It's got touch-ups to the cabinets. It's got new flooring. It looks fantastic, okay? Let's walk through it. You can see everything that needs to be done in here. Still, there's some very, very small touch-up items before it gets inspected by Section 8. But you think about it, right? Jason's into this property right here for $82,000. It's gonna rent for $1,200 a month. The numbers on that are just outrageous. A lot of you wanna make sure that you can beat the 1% rule when it comes to renting units. Now the 1% rule means that you want the monthly rent to be 1% or greater than the all-in acquisition cost. So for example, for a unit like this, Jason's into it for $82,000, right? 55 purchase price, $27,000 rehab, $82,000. A good return on this, to beat the 1% rule, would be renting this out for $825. That would be when the rent is over 1% of the purchase of the all-in acquisition cost. In this instance, we're blowing that out of the water, absolutely destroying it, almost at 1.5% of the acquisition cost. So it's just a metric that's used quickly to see if the property is going to cash flow the way that you want it to. And we do not get into anything that is underneath the 1% rule. So that is not even a question. I won't let my clients get anywhere near it. But his actual cash on cash return, his cap rate on this, we haven't run the numbers on it yet. It's gonna be very, very high. These properties, guys, are out there 100%. If you wanna get into properties like this and you want to spend that short of money, be able to do beautiful rehabs with a ton of brand new stuff to the exterior, the HVAC unit's been serviced, you hear the air pumping in here, send me an email. Let's get you started. We'll get this thing started. We'll get it done right. Doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter what's going on. We'll get you into something really nice. You and I will do it together. You'll be able to use my teams and we'll be able to knock this thing out. So let's walk through this house. Of course, brand new flooring throughout the whole thing. Touch-up paint still needs to be done. Trim work still needs to be done. And some small items. We had our sheetrock guy come in here, so we still need to touch up all over some of that paint. But really nice little breakfast nook in here, guys. Dining room. This is more of a dining room actually than it is a breakfast nook. You guys are standing in the living room right now. So we have a nice dining room right here. Walk into here, into this kitchen. All new countertops, all new cabinets, all new LVP. Flooring all throughout here in the kitchen. The same flooring that's in here is matched with that in the bathroom. So it looks really, really, really good. Okay. We move into the hallway, our bathroom right here. Again, really, really good, guys. Brand new LVP, new vanity, new toilet. So really, really nice in here. Of course, we still have to caulk the tub, but we'll be done, of course, right before our Section 8 inspection. So, and then we have what you guys see often is all 3 bedrooms in the back of the house. Have not painted this room yet. This room will be painted. Some of the bedrooms haven't been painted yet. This room being one of them, but a nice bedroom nonetheless. Okay, so nice bedroom in here. Reason we haven't painted the bedrooms yet is because we've had to do some drywall work in some of these bedrooms. Okay, so holes in the walls. There was a really, really bad leak coming in from the ceiling right here. And it was rotting through. So we had water pouring through the roof, which was pouring through the ceiling, which was running down the wall, which was sitting on the floor, sinking through the subfloor. So what we did was we replaced the subfloor in here. One of the reasons we put nice brand new flooring throughout the whole house, got rid of the mold, obviously put a brand new piece of sheetrock up there, redid the roof, and took care of everything that we needed to do with that. But good size bedroom here as well. So really coming along, guys. I'm really happy with it. And then lastly, we have our master. So we have our third bedroom here. Bedroom number 3 also has an attachment. So we have a closet, but we also have our water heater. It's a gas water heater, okay? And we have brand new washer dryer hookups with brand new GFI outlet, okay? So all of that is Section 8 compliant. Everything here, brand new PEX piping over the water heater as well. So overall, guys, just a really, really nice property. Super, super happy for Jason. We've bought a lot of stuff in a really short amount of time. Jason now has 2 3-bedrooms and a 4-bedroom, and he is bringing in about a little bit under $4,000 a month. So pretty unbelievable for 1 year to add that many properties, 3 properties, guys, inside of a year, and he's grossing almost $4,000 a month. That's pretty unbelievable. He's never been to any of these properties. He's never seen them. This has all been done with me and my team. And it's possible. It's possible. If you get with the right people, you get with the right coach, you get with the right team, you guys can do this. So if you want to get started, shoot me an email in the description below. We'll get you going. Also, with Jason, he's always in these comments. Please drop him some questions, some comments, and I'm sure he'll be around to get to them. As always, guys, we'll see you next time.